Here is the door lock. It comes in a beautiful black color. It makes a beeping sound every time you unlock and lock it. The buttons are right here where you can put in your code, and it gives that blue coloring. That's telling me that it's the right code since it's green. It will flash red if you put in the passcode incorrectly. Here's the little key fob. It's got this beautiful rectangular shape on this side. And this beautiful design right up here. Telling me it's correct with the green. This part sticks out as well. The blue light is a really nice feature, especially when you're trying to open this at night and you want to see the numbers better. They're very clear since they're bolded and black, but the light does help. And then you can press this to also turn on the light if you just want to take a good look at it first.